Here's a second relationship principle under imitating God's love, and it's as we imitate God, we grow closer together. Focusing on imitating God, when you do that, you grow closer to the people around you. There's this is a principle that kind of supersedes all of them. If you think in your mind, I have it up here, you can visualize this love triangle with God at the top and me and you, whoever that might be, at the bottoms. Now, if you ever put anyone above God, it might seem noble at the time. It's stupid. Don't do that. Everything's out of balance. It causes problems. He alone should be at the top. So pay attention. Pay attention, especially when there's tension of, hey, who's at the top here? Who am I living for? Who is most important right now? Because if we're both growing closer to God, you naturally, check out this next one, you naturally grow closer together. There's something I've noticed that this holds true in all kinds of relationships, and I think it happens for two reasons. First, there's so much to talk about. Hey, listen to what I learned today. Hey, listen to what God's teaching me. And communication, you would understand, is the key to any healthy relationship. But secondly, there's this beautiful alignment that happens. Now we have the same focus. Now we have the same purpose and the same mission and the same values. We're heading in the same direction together, ride or die. Let's go. And pursuing God together is uniting, it's strengthening, and it helps us deal with that idea, ultimately, that we have to fix the other person. No, I don't have to do that. Let's just pursue the Lord, both of us together, and let Him shape us and our lives together. And it's beautiful.